Hello students, you are all welcome to another tutorial by Brain Boosters Tutorials. Today we are going to look at factors. We're going to look at factors and I am Tolua. So, what is a factor? What is a factor? Factor in mathematics. Factor in mathematics is a number or algebraic expression that divides another number or expression evenly, that is without any remainder. Factor in mathematics is a number or algebraic expression that divides another number or expression evenly, that is without any remainder. For example, 3 and 6 are factors of 12. 3 and 6 are factors of 12 because 12 divided by 3 gives us 4 without no remainder. And 12 divided by 6 gives us 2 exactly, without remainder. The other factors of 12 are 1, 2, 4, and 12. So factors in mathematics, or factor in mathematics, is a number or algebraic expression that divides another number or expression evenly, that is without any remainder. Examples. Let's find the factors of 18, 24, 36, 48, and 60. The factors of 18, 24, 36, 48, and 60. So find the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Now let's check why these numbers are the factors. Number 1, 18 divided by 1 is equal to 18 without no remainder. 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9 without no remainder. 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6 without remainder. 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3 without no remainder. 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2 without no remainder. 18 divided by 18 is equal to 1 without any remainder. So the factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. So those are the factors of 18. Factors of 24. Factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. So if you divide 24 by 1 gives you 24 without any remainder. 24 divided by 2 gives you 12 without any remainder. 24 divided by 3 gives you 8 without any remainder. 24 divided by 4 gives you 6 without any remainder. 24 divided by 6 gives you 4 without any remainder. 24 divided by 8 gives you 3 without any remainder. 24 divided by 12 gives you 2 without any remainder. And 24 divided by 24 gives you 1 without any remainder. Factors of 36. Factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. You can check it out. If you can work it out, 36 divided by 1 gives you 36 without no remainder. Same goes for others. There's no remainder. Factors of 48 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 48. So 48 divided by 1 gives you 48 without any remainder. 48 divided by 2 gives you 24 without any remainder. And that's all, all the other numbers. 48 divided by 12 gives you 4 without no remainder. 48 divided by 16 gives you 3 without no remainder. So these are the factors of 48. Factors of 60. Factors of 60 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, and 60. So if you look at it, 60 divided by 1 gives you 60. That is, just give 60 mangoes to one person. That person has the whole 60. Give 60 mangoes to 2 people. They will have 30 each. Give without any remainder. 60 mangoes to 3 people. The 3 people have, get 20 mangoes each. 60 mangoes to 4 people. gives them 15 mangoes each. 60 mangoes to 5 people gives them 12 mangoes each. 60 mangoes to 6 people gives them 10 mangoes each. 60 mangoes to 10 people gives them 6 mangoes each. 60 mangoes to 12 people gives them 5 mangoes each. 60 mangoes to 15 people gives them 4 mangoes each. 60 mangoes to 20 people gives them 3 mangoes each. Then 60 mangoes to 30 people gives them 2 mangoes. 60 mangoes to 60 people, all of them will have 1 mango each. So that's the interpretation and the simple summary and explanation of it. Let's now look at factors of algebra. Factors of algebra. Write down the factors of 5a squared x. 5a squared x. So like we said earlier, that factors are numbers that divide another number evenly without any remainder. So 5ax squared now, the factors are, number one, 5ax squared is it has an expression of 5 times 1 times a times a times x. So that's the expansion of this 5ax squared x. So in terms of numerical terms now, we have 1 and 5 that can divide 5ax squared evenly. In terms of a and 5a can divide 5ax squared evenly. In terms of x and 5x can divide 5ax squared evenly. In terms of a squared and 5a squared can divide 5a squared x evenly. In terms of ax and 5ax can divide 5ax squared evenly. Then in terms of a squared x and 5a squared x can divide 5a squared x evenly. So the factors of 5ax squared are 1, 5, a, 5a, x, 5x, a squared, 5a squared, ax, 5ax, a squared x, 5a squared x. So these are the factors of 5a squared x. Factors of 3x. So in numerical terms, 1 and 3. Because if you divide 3x by 1, it gives you 3x. If you divide 3x by 3, if you divide 3x by 3, you just go have x. So now if you divide 3x by x, you're going to have 3. If you divide 3x by 3x, you're going to have 1. So the factors of 3x are 1, 3, x, and 3x. So these are the factors of 3x. Then the factors of ab. ab divided by 1 gives us ab. ab divided by a gives us b. ab divided by b gives us a. ab divided by ab gives us 1. So therefore the factors of ab are 1, ab, a, and b. 1, ab, a, and b. A squared. Factors of a squared. Factors of x squared, x squared. So x squared divided by 1 is equals to x squared. X squared divided by x is equals to x. And x squared divided by x squared is equals to 1. Therefore, the factors of x squared are 1, x squared. Then 5ab. In numerical terms, 5a divided by 1 gives us 5ab. 5a divided by 5 gives us ab. So in terms of a, 5a divided by a gives us 5b. 5a divided by 5a gives us b. Then in terms of ab, 5ab divided by ab gives us 5. Then 5ab divided by 5ab gives us 1. So therefore, the factors of 5ab are 1, 5, a, 5a, b, 5b, ab, and 5ab. So these are the factors of 5ab. These are the factors of 5ab. So that's it. Yeah, before I round up, if you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to Great Boosters Tutorials, or you can visit our website bit.ly/omojemeedukonsult. bit.ly/omojemeedukonsult. So that will be all for today. I'll see you in the next class, in which we'll be looking at multiples. Just look at factors. So thanks and keep on practicing and studying. Bye for now. Hello students, you are all welcome to another tutorial by Brain Booster Tutorials. Today we are looking at multiples. So what are multiples? Yeah, a multiple is actually a number you get when you multiply a certain number by an integer. A multiple in mathematics is the number you get when you multiply a certain number by an integer, that is a whole number, a positive number, negative number, or zero. So the number you multiply with another number can be whole number, positive number, negative number, or zero. So it can be just be 10 minus 10 plus 10, 0. So find examples. Find the multiples of 5, 3, 4, 6, and 8. Find the multiples of 5, 3, 4, 6, and 8. The multiples of 5 are stated below. We have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, etc. up to infinity. So for example now, 5 times 2 gives us 10, 5 times 3 gives us 15, 5 times 4 gives us 20, 5 times 5 gives us 25, 5 times 6 gives us 30. If we continue, 5 times 7 gives us 35. We can even have negative numbers too, because 5 times minus 1 can give us minus 5, and that's part of the multiples of 5. Multiples of 3 are stated below. That's 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So 3 times 2 gives us 6, 3 times 3 gives us 9, 3 times 4 gives us 12, 3 times 5 gives us 15, 3 times 6 gives us 18. So these are the multiples of 3. Continue, you can this dots represents continuity. So it can 3 times 7 9 gives us 21. It's also part of it. So it's more or less like saying the first 6 multiples. What we are doing is just like finding the first 6 multiples of, like now, let's find the first 6 multiples of 4. First 6 multiples of 4, we have 4 times 2 gives us 8, 4 times 3, 12, 4 times 4 gives us 16, 4 times 5 gives us 20, 4 times 6 24. So the multiples are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. These are the first 6 multiples of 4. The first 6 multiples of 6 are 12, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. 6 times 2 gives us 12, 6 times 3 gives us 18, 6 times 4 gives us 24, 6 times 5 gives us 30, 6 times 6 gives us 36. So these are the multiples of 6. Multiples of 8. The first 6 multiples are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. So 8 times 2, 16. 8 times 3, 24. 8 times 4, 32. 8 times 5, 40. 8 times 6, 48. So we've come to the end of today's class. Before I go, let me quickly do a recap to enhance proper understanding for everybody. Yeah. So the multiples of 8. The multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. Multiples, multiples of 8. Now, these are the first multiples of 8. So 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, and 48. So these are the first, 6 multiples of 8. So that's the end of the class for today. For more tutorials like this, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel on Brain Boosters Tutorials, on YouTube. kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell in order for you to get more videos from us. And you can also visit our website bit.ly slash omojime edu consult bit.ly slash omojime edu consult. You can get tutorials. You can create Google Classroom in which you can teach you online. So thanks for watching, and make sure you practice during your own leisure time. Keep on learning. Bye for now.